The key difference between option 1 and option 2 will center upon whether or not Moshe had received the laws of inheritance regarding the situation similar to that raised by the Benot Tzlafchad. Option 1 maintains that this law had been transmitted to Moshe, but he suffered a temporary memory lapse. According to option 2, however, we would have to say that Moshe, as of Bamidbar 27, was not aware of the halachic position regarding the disposition of property in such a situation. Which brings us to question 2, that if, as of this perek, Moshe was not aware of the halacha, then obviously when the Benot Tzlafchad presented their case, he needed to refer the matter to HaKadosh Baruch Hu. The fact that he does is not problematic. The midrashic interpretation as to why HaKadosh Baruch Hu delayed in giving this information to Moshe is not a pshuta shel mikra issue to which Rashi needs to offer a response. Therefore, the entire option 2, davar acher, is redundant. Question 3 will focus upon the heading that Rashi has selected for his commentary, Vayakrev Moshe et Mishpatan. One of the rules that the Rebbe in the ZECHOOT applies to his understanding of Rashi's commentary to the Chumash text is that the headings must align themselves precisely with the commentary. Those aspects of the pasuk that do not relate directly to the commentary need not be included in the heading. If we assume that the focus of Rashi is to explain the need for Moshe to have referred the matter to HaKadosh Baruch Hu, then the important words are Vayakrev Moshe, and he could have included the rest of the pasuk, as he does very often, with the word V'gomer, etc. Conversely, if he feels that the commentary relates to the entire pasuk and does not wish to use the word V'gomer, then all 6 words of the pasuk, including the Lifnei Hashem, should have been part of the heading. In other words, if et mishpatan is required, then Lifnei Hashem is also required. If the Lifnei Hashem is not required, so too the et mishpatam will not be required. In its present format, the inclusion of the words et mishpatan into the heading would appear to violate the rule of the relationship between the headings and the commentary.